Hello, I'm Yan. Introducing an electric bike with a very special structure. The Super Magnesium V-Fit absorbs shock all the way up to the motor. Electric bike with React ground tracking suspension. The E1 is designed solely to provide the ultimate in ride comfort. Let's take a look at this special bike. This bike is a single-seater electric bike. At the heart of this bike is the React suspension system, which even moves the motor. It uses the Comfort Performance system to control the impact. It uses a rebound air suspension cylinder. It has integrated pressure regulation. The fun thing about this bike is that it even absorbs the shock when you step on the pedals. The suspension accurately absorbs the impact of the road surface. Very soft and comfortable, even when carrying a lot of stuff. The E1 only takes care of the rider's weight. Even when the road is uneven, this bike is perfectly balanced. The E1 hydroformed aluminum frame is an urban design frame. A beautifully curved frame and is specially designed to have a low body. The monoframe shows a well-balanced handle balance. The height range that can be boarded is from 141 to 191 centimeters. You can ride Lulalala even with a skirt on. The saddle height is very easy to adjust, and the battery is included. You can set the output with 3 buttons. The motor used was a 4th generation high-performance CX motor from Bosch. The Bosch Power Seat Tube battery uses a 500 watt-hour high-capacity battery. The battery is secure and easy to lock. An easy-to-view display screen and Bluetooth connection are available. A front-action air fork optimized for a state-of-the-art rear suspension system. 27.5-inch wheels with large Schwalbe tires that are advantageous for high speed. Equipped with Shimano hydraulic disc brakes and ultra-bright LED lights. It's a perfectly balanced piece of equipment. The suspension with this special link structure is soft, comfortable, and it is expected to facilitate efficient long-distance travel. The entry-level bike costs $7,699. The top-of-the-line model with built-in hub gears is $9,999. Like and subscribe clicks are a great help in creating videos. Thanks for watching.